This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the kit. Belt, sensor module, batteries and clips, nothing optional. Insert the battery or connect the internal pack and power on the sensor. You want a full charge for accurate initial reads. Once done, fasten the belt around your waist at the recommended height so the sensor faces unobstructed airflow. Make sure straps are snug but not constricting. This prevents movement artifacts when you begin data collection. Now focus on secure mounting and calibration. Clip the sensor firmly and align the orientation mark to the airflow arrow. Improper alignment biases wind and particulate readings. Next, choose a sampling rate. Pick 1 Hz for short, dynamic tests or 0. 1 Hz for multi-hour logging to save power. Then run the 2-point calibration routine using a known reference or the kit's built-in sequence. This corrects offsets and ensures temperature, humidity, and pressure values are trustworthy before continuous logging. Begin the final phase by starting the recording session and labeling it clearly. Monitor live values for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm stable behavior. Once complete, power down, remove the battery and gently clean sensor ports with an alcohol wipe before storage to prevent corrosion and false readings. If you see drifting beyond acceptable limits, more than 5%, recalibrate immediately. If drift persists, replace the battery or check wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.